Ever pondered if financial planning is a luxury for the rich? It's actually a necessity for all. Financial planning isn't merely penny counting or stock investing, it's an inclusive way to manage your money smartly, understanding your income, expenses, and setting personal goals. Why is it important? Financial planning helps prioritize your future. It's about saving for retirement and preparing for life's surprises. It's about making your money work for you and realizing dreams, big or small. Remember, financial planning isn't exclusive to a specific age group or income level. It's for students, professionals, parents, everyone. Each life stage comes with financial challenges and opportunities, and planning is key. The first step in financial planning? Understanding your current financial position. Your assets, liabilities, income versus expenses. This knowledge paves the way for smarter financial decisions. Starting is all about the right tools and strategies. Budgeting apps, expense trackers, savings plans, they're there to simplify your journey towards financial security. Planning your finances is about empowering yourself today, paving the way for a future that's not only financially secure but also aligns with your dreams. So, take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. For more insights and tips on mastering your finances, subscribe and turn on notifications. Make financial planning part of your success story.